See them fucking. You know me love my blood clot jugs. I grade no weak grabber. The G radar, Louis V, no cheap dollar. And she gonna give me that deep throat. She swallow me ice down every day. See the free side.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people, guess what? Masicka just a tell we how him living. The man released one song when he am lifestyle. When me I go review right now, and it explain how Masicka living. So guess what we are gonna do? We are gonna review this song and talk about it. You know what I mean? But people, remember to stick around for in the comment section at the end of this video. So people, enough talking. Me could go in at the review, you know, right?
Everyone know what they done, you know. The man, you know. The one, you know. Right now, me a rep
Shadi Murray TV.
Shadi Murray TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. You see me?
On YouTube, you know. Come in, say YouTube, that tube, and such tube. Yo.
Yeah. Shadi Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper said that.
It's exploded right now.
See them fucking. You know me love my blood clot jugs. I grade no weak grabber. The G radar, Louis V, no cheap dollar. And she gonna give me that deep throat. She swallow me ice down every day. See the free side. A real man knock one side the street color. I never look a thing me do someone a beef fella. Pop it off man a piss up himself a weak bladder. One language to dog. You see grammar.
So people, the dog start the song without an intro. The man say, yo, right now, me never told to intro the song, me just go straight into the song. Cause guess what? You remember when some other people review the man last song, and I say, you know what? The whole of them song sound the same. I know what them are going to say about this song now. Because definitely is not the same song as Stay Strong or the other song them went do earlier in the year. This a show versatility. This a show say Masicka still have the same flame as what him say in the supposedly intro. So make we talk about what him say now. Because a bag of something him say in a them 8 bar there, you know. So first, the man a tell us him love him drugs. You see me? The man a make you know say a be high grade him smoke. And you see, them high grade it have to go with some strong grabber. No weak grabber around here. That are the man lifestyle. You see me? And then the man a tell you how him wear, what kind of clothes him wear. The man a make you know say a straight name brand the man thing there. No knockoff, no China made, nothing we say made in China. So you know say a straight Louis V and all these things. As we him express already in a them killer 8 bars there. So after that, the man a make the girl them know say, you see, spitters are quitters. You see me? A straight deep throat and she have to swallow that. John no star, me not telling you no lie. At the first verse in the song already, and me already love it off. You see it? Then the man will go make you know say, yo, to the amount of chain, watch and ring, etc. The man have pan him, he come like a walking freezer. Yo, the man dripping. And that he mean when him say him ice down. But the part that puzzle me in the song, when the man say everything me do, some boy we follow. And we them follow. Everything genocide them do and Masicka do, and them a follow. I don't know who you think said that one aim that. Put it in the comment section below. But make we hear the chorus here now.
Lifestyle as a wow. Too fat pussy right side of me now. Anything run up on that side, yeah, pow. We got the links, them we got the dough. Lifestyle as a wow. Too fat pussy right side of me now. Anything run up on that side, yeah, pow. We got the links, them we got the
lifestyle as a wow. Too fat kitty right side of me now. Anything run up on the side, yeah, pow. We got the links, we got the dough. See it there? Me listen it one time and remember it. One time me listen it, you know, and remember it. You see, that song is singable. Hold on, is that a word? When me looking at my talking book. Is not a word. I guess that's just a chatty word. You see me? So we are going to use it in other content, you know. Singable, meaning say you can sing to it. Meaning say you can relate to it. Meaning say a 5-year-old can hear it 3 times and remember if I have a 2 line out of it. You see me? And at that Masicka have over enough of them artists here. See, you see, even when them talk about say him just a do melodies alone and him just a sing out him heart and him soul. See the man forward with him lifestyle here. And the man a sing and DJ him lifestyle too, no. So people, wanna just tell me in the comment section right now how you think say the boss are going so far? How you think say the genocide are going so far? Just hashtag as well, genocide, if you feel same are going good. And if you feel same not going good and the song you're fooling-ish, just comment why.
See them a talk money, please stop it. We got it, too much fit this pocket. Some big rocket, black and that they jacket. Me try found the gun playing up.
So hold on, make we zoom in on the line there when the man say, me see them a talk about money what day, so tell them please stop it. Who do one song and release it when name Richer and Richer? I really alkaline massacre attack. I really alkaline. The man a tell say yo easy dog. You know in my league right now. You see when you talk about money, you have to make me and Vibes Cartel and them other people and then other DJ they talk about money. You see when we are talk about money, you just sit down and listen and hear what we have to talk about money. No sir, me not think of alkaline. You no comment if a alkaline.
She too, and she too, me slap it, she tick-tock it, just take off, real rocket. Anything the Jenna do, the Jenna do it classic. And me not too talk, me not tree gossip, watch ya. Fresh every day, pre-closet.
So one thing me have to also talk about this song. You see the flow where the man forward back with, me no know. Them flow ya always appealing to me. You see me, them flow ya always sound better when you are DJ, but still you hold the flow, you hold the rhythm not the east and you the west. You see me, the beat not the north and you the south. Why for the south? But I guess you understand what me mean still. You see me, the man the pan key and the melody, him have the melody same way. As what me say in the first part of the video, if the song and hit, me I go delete my YouTube channel. So just remember that and remember say Chaddy Murray tell you that.
Fresh every day, pre-closet. Straight jeans and Gucci sneakers it. Money me a talk, me no preach comic. House pan the hill, me spend a couple mil pan it. This not too much for me enemies stand it. Grips make she lose herself, real magic. And me a pay dead, me a pay the dick. When me pop it up, boy please touch it.
This not too much for me enemies stand it. Grips make she lose herself, real magic. So it look like say Corey Todd over there I make some magical drinks. The man over there I make some magical vodka, some magical crips. The man say yo, you see when you drink some other crips here, yo you gonna lose yourself. You can't find it. So people me don't know about you still, but you see for me that's one of my favorite line in the song. So you just comment your favorite line in the comment section. Comment your favorite line in the song. People, this song consists of 3 verses. So we are gonna review the 3rd verse now.
Rolex on, long chain rocking. Crips up, no blood clot, champagne popping. Dance stay flying, mom stay shopping. Me pull a gun, so 1 million flame knocking. Glock na my phone, dash way tapping. No boy can't come for no strap for me locking. Kill for the paper and we bring the cash in. Fast blood clot life, but me not cashing.
You remember your parents always tell us a fast life nah last long. Well, that not it for Massacre case. Cause Massacre make you know say yo, a fast life him depend. You see ma, I eat food, but him a chew with the topping. And then the man goes again and say, even though him a do all of those things, him mother have to stay shopping and him stay flying. So him a do the do, you see me, and him mother a reap the benefits. So people, tell me in the comment section what you think about that song. Cause we done review it right now, you know. And for me, I go grade that song and give it, yo, I have to give it 10 out of 10. For a song where a man got 3 verses in it, you see me, the man give it 2 8-bar verse. And then the man got 16 bars in the 2nd verse. And people, remember me I telling you this, none of them bars they are no Kit Kat bars, are straight lyrics. And you can't want to give the man nothing less than 10 out of 10. Come on, tell me what you think in the comment section. If a 10 out of 10, just comment 10 out of 10. So people, that's the end of my review. So for today in the comment section, I'm not going to talk about a specific comment, but I'm going to shout out a specific person. Lena Joseph, from she subscribed to me, yo, she comment on all of my video them, she watch all of my video them. So shout out Lena Joseph if you watch this right now, which me know you watch it cause you watch all of my video them. You know what I mean? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, as I said before, if you like this video, just give it a like, no man. And if you don't, just state in the comment section why you don't and share your points, share your views. Thanks for watching, and please hit that subscribe button if it's the first time watching a video on the Chaddy Murray TV. And if it's not, well, I think you subscribe and turn on post notification and all those lovely things. Anyway, still, it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out.
Lifestyle is so wow. Too fat pussy right side of me now. Anything run up on that side, yeah, pow. We got the links, them, we got the dough. Lifestyle is so wow. Too fat pussy right side of me now. Anything run up on that side, yeah, pow. We got the links, them, we got the